It's now 11:16 on this rainy Friday night. A lot of thunder boomers out there earlier tonight.
Yeah, a lot of thunder boomers still active here this evening, Russ.
Yeah.
I mean, sky's lighting up in spots, especially out towards the west again. It's going to be a loud night for some, and then we have to see how it all redevelops tomorrow. That's going to be the big question: is how do things fire up again tomorrow? Does it ruin our plans? Does it not? We've got an indication of how it's going to go tomorrow, but as these things go, I mean, it kind of depends on what happens tonight. Leading into tomorrow. So
fingers crossed, as we say.
Fingers crossed, as we say all the time. We say that a lot in the Weather Center, let's be honest. So in terms of the radar right now, let's get you through the active radar we have this evening. Still another round of storms coming in. There's plenty of lift and a decent amount of instability in the atmosphere. So just despite the fact that we're sitting here at 11:20 at night, it doesn't mean these thunderstorms are going to go away. It's not kind of the pattern that we're in right now. But you can see the heavy rainfall pushing out. We've got another wave pushing into the west. Biggest issue with this is heavy rain from here on out. It already has been this evening. We've got an aerial flood advisory for Stark County heading into areas near Youngstown, Warren, and then Erie County. This is the one I just mentioned. I said, why is there not a flood advisory? I'm not kidding. 2 minutes later, we have a flood advisory, and we still have that flash flood warning. This is the other serious thing that we have in Erie County. Town of Huron right now dealing with some flooding issues. They've had a radar estimate, at least from our radar, anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of rain that have fallen just this evening. That's in a matter of about 6 hours. And a lot of that fell within an hour's time with some of these rounds of storms. So some ongoing flooding in Erie County right now. We still have some rain falling. And you notice the rain that's fallen all across Northeast Ohio. We have another spot here in Stark County, Summit County, Medina County, even Lorain County saw some heavy rain. And again, we're not done. So where's the rain right now? This is a real heavy batch. We have rainfall rates within this one, 1 to 2 inches an hour. Thankfully, it doesn't rain for an hour with this, but pretty decent lightning coming out of Erie County. This will give another round of storms to northern Lorain County. This will actually stretch into the southern tip of the county as well. Brunswick, Hinckley area, we've got a storm coming your way with some heavier rainfall. That will impact 71 here shortly, and then out towards the east. Good news is we've dried things out in Stark County now from Canton out towards Alliance, but storms just out towards the east are putting on a lightning show, and down towards Minerva and Brown, areas of northern Carroll County have seen some heavy rain here, but that is now outbound. So where do we go from here? This is the activity along the warm front. We're going to watch this activity back towards the cold front, which is back towards the west. Models haven't done a good job picking up on this, but you can see the line of storms heading out of Wisconsin. This line or wave in the atmosphere will be approaching our area around the 5, 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning time frame. It is expected to weaken, but still we're going to have that energy in the atmosphere. It will likely stall out or fade, and then we'll see redevelopment along that. It looked like afternoon, but now it's starting to look more like the morning into the afternoon. So I'll show you what I mean. Storm Prediction Center still has a likely risk for severe storms as we go into the daytime tomorrow. So in terms of the rainfall coverage, tonight's going to be rainy, and then we get a break tomorrow morning. So if you've got Saturday morning plans, we look okay as of right now. We'll probably have some fog around, some low clouds to start the day just because of all this moisture we have in place. But we should break back into some sunshine, at least temporarily. This is fresh data now. Your National Landmark hour-by-hour forecast bringing that next wave in. I agree with that. We've got the heavy rainfall around tonight, and 6:30 tomorrow morning as that final wave out of Wisconsin kind of goes over and stalls out. We should start to quiet out. This is the change in the modeling. It's developing storms sooner. So we're 10:30 in the morning. We're already up into the mid-80s. It's hot. It's humid outside. And watch how the storms just start to blossom. This is now midday through early afternoon. We're getting some pops on radar. Any one of these storms could go severe. The good news is if we do start storms early tomorrow, which it does look like that means our severe threat's going to be lower. We're not going to have all that sunshine and all that real hot air to really get these storms going. But heavy rainfall is certainly a possibility. The latest model runs now start to clear us out for evening plans. So afternoon right now, we'll have some storms around, and then hopefully we get that front through here by afternoon, late in the afternoon. That means our evening will be saved. And then Sunday looks great. Look at these temperatures waking up Sunday morning. We've got stable air around. We're in the 50s for some. We'll have some sunshine. Isolated shower can't be ruled out. We've done that last couple weekends with the moisture. So 85 scattered rain and storms tomorrow, hopefully early and early afternoon as well, and then sunshine with PM high clouds on Sunday. Perseid meteor showers this weekend. When can we see it? Well, not tonight. Probably tomorrow night, I think, would be a good chance if we clear things out. Sunday, and it looks okay. We'll have some high clouds around. It's a great year for the Perseids. You look anywhere in the sky, get away from city lights. And the reason why it's a great year, the moon is not going to be in play. It's going to be a waning crescent, real tiny. So we should have some good viewing. In terms of humidity, it sticks around through the weekend, pun intended. Then back in Tuesday and Wednesday, we bring in some drier air. Last thing that we're going to keep an eye on is Monday's storm threat. There'll be another storm system coming in. This one looks like another vigorous low pressure. Good news for us, it looks like timing may be an issue. It may pass Monday night into Tuesday. That means severe weather may not be quite as high as it looked, but Tuesday looks showery and kind of cool on the backside. Your Union Home Mortgage 10-day forecast shows that. There's your Monday storm chance, lingering showers and cooler on Tuesday. And we're back into the 80s with beautiful weather Wednesday and Thursday.